So the Internet of Things was a major milestone in our quest for connecting anything, anywhere, anytime. That was an important uh, stepping point. However, the Internet of Things technology, the entire space, is limited to only people and the conventional things, which are equipped with hardware and software currently. So, with the emergence of the new technologies, we are obviously observing new players, new communicators coming into the picture. So these players would be uh, biosynthetic cells, nanorobots, nanosensors, nanoactuators, smart drug delivery systems and their components. So all these will be part of the Internet of Everything vision in the future, which is currently lacking in the current Internet of Things technology definitions. So what we are expecting to see in the future will be definitely a very rich landscape full of new players, new communicators, and also new communication technologies. Because so far, we have been able to use very basic communication modalities like, for example, visual, audio, optical, even electromagnetic communication is very new for us as a human being. And obviously, for the new players to come, like synthetic cells or nanorobots, all these existing modalities will not be sufficient for us to use. We will need new communication modalities such as molecular communications, neutrino communications, quantum communications, even communications with gravitational waves. So I'm quite sure that the future ICT landscape will be quite rich with these new players and new communication modalities, altogether realizing the Internet of Everything vision.